Carbohydrates are an important part of a healthful diet. They are actually found in a wide variety of foods, like fruits, vegetables. But there is what we call a complex carbohydrates and a simple carbohydrates. So which one should we eat?
There are a lot of studies suggesting that complex carbohydrates are better than simple carbohydrates to be part of your diet, simply because of how the energy is retained in your body. During digestion, your body breaks down these complex carbohydrates and turn them into monosaccharides, or the building blocks, so that your cells can use it as an energy.
So tell me, what are the examples of these complex carbohydrates? We have this whole wheat flour, we have this unpolished rice, we have this barley, quinoa, buckwheat, and so on and so forth. Did you know that if you have so much energy inside you, you tend to do something that will release that energy inside? So we go cycling, we go climbing, we go exercising, and whatever you can think of just to release that energy bubbling inside us. If you have that too much energy inside you, you will become like this guy. But the question is that, how are we supposed to retain that energy inside us? Like, dude, what to eat? What to drink? But there are actually a lot of products being sold all over the place right now, like power drink, power food, whatever you can think of. Of course it gives you energy, but is it healthy? There are a lot of drag downs. So I am here to share to you the power bread. It's a simple bread, but it's not the same as the bread that you can just buy outside. So, what is the power bread? Our power bread consists of whole wheat flour, flaxseed, rolled oats, corn grits, and so on. The nutritional compositions of these said ingredients are what are the benefits of this complex carbohydrates that we are talking about? So here are the reasons why you have to choose complex carbohydrates over that simple carbohydrates. Number 1. Fuel. Complex carbs keep that body of yours fueled over time. Reaching for simple carbohydrates are quickly digested, meaning hunger will return sooner. Digestion. Complex carbs takes longer to digest. This makes it the key to fulfilling hunger, as well as providing a source of lasting energy. Weight loss! Yes, that's right. The right carbs will actually help you to lose weight and not gain weight, compared to simple carbohydrates. Heart health! Those people who are broken-hearted, you need this complex carbohydrates now faster. Why? Because fruits and vegetables are the ones that lower your LDL, or what we call the bad cholesterol, people, and helps prevent heart attacks. Muscle growth! It also promotes muscle growth. Wala yung muscles. Wala. We know protein is vital for gaining muscles, but carbs is also important to optimize growth and recovery. It supports brain health. If you are devoid from carbs, then you will become dumb. No, not necessarily, but you will feel lightheaded and irritable, along with the difficulty of concentrating and focusing on your loved ones. Babe, sige na please, pansinin mo ako. I don't care. Di ba na-gets yung sinasabi ko? Do you get it? No? Okay. It's because you lack glucose in your brain. That's why you're too hard to understand. Now that I've explained to you guys what carbohydrate is, what complex and simple carbohydrates are, and also what is consists of this so-called power bread that we have. So now, let us go to the food factory where my mom is actually working on this power bread.
blend it, guys. Mix all the solid ingredients and add some water on it and your yeast. Mix it using your hand, a spoon, a spatula, or anything that you want to use. Knead it until softened. Shape it like this or any form that you desire. Bake it with 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Talking about overconsumption, studies have only shown simple carbohydrates as the one that leads to health problems and not complex carbohydrates. In fact, it is advised and encouraged to eat more of this to be healthy due to its benefits stated. Like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching!